Hello everyone and welcome to the SOB3D YouTube channel. Welcome also to the first video in the Nino Devkit introduction series. If you don't know what the Nino Devkit is, it is a set of 3D files that you can use to create mesh clothing for the IMVU men's store. Be sure to check out the description box for download links and more info. In this first part of the series, we'll be taking a look at the download and setup process for this Devkit. So let's go ahead and proceed. The first thing you want to do is access any of the base products HTML descriptions, because that's where you'll find the links to download the kits. Using IMVU Studio, you can go ahead to the Create button and search for SOB3D in the Creators section. Make sure that you're in the Men's section this time around. Select any of the products tagged Nino and click on the three dots beside the product name to view the product's web page. For the Nino kit specifically, however, I would recommend accessing the web pages of the AP based products, because that's where you can download the full version of the kit. If you're using the classic client for IMVU, all you need to do is go to shop and search for SOB3D. Be sure to restrict your search mode to creator and that you are searching in the men's section. Select any of the base products, again recommending you access the AP products HTMLs for the full version, and click on the I button, then the more information button to get the products web page. Now that you are on the products web page, the next thing you need to do is click the button that reads Get this Devkit on Gumroad. At this point, I would like to recommend you go ahead and create a Gumroad account if you do not have one already. It is a free process. Once you click that button, you'll be greeted by the product page on Gumroad. Type in 0 in the name a fair price section, since this is a free kit, and proceed to add to cart. Fill out the form provided to you and conclude by agreeing to the terms and conditions. On the next page, you now have the option to download the kit as well as join the Discord server, where you can get help and other resources easily. The links will be in the description box as well. Upon downloading the kit and extracting the zip file, you will find a set of files: a banner image you can paste in your HTML descriptions, an MCG necessary for making GA clothing for IMVU, a paste in HTML description text file, which is a clickable image HTML code with the banner that you can paste your HTML descriptions telling people that you made the product with the Nino kit. You also have a series of 3D files, starting with a blend file for exports to the classic version of IMVU. Then there's a preview image for the Marvelous Designer project file, as well as a project file itself where you can make clothing items using the SOB3D Nino body. Then a modeling blend file that you can use to make clothing and other items for the body in Blender. And there's a studio blend file tailored for exports to IMVU Studio. You also have an OBJ file and its corresponding MTL for easy imports of the Nino body into other 3D programs. Then there's an AVT file for use in Marvelous Designer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to stick around for the next part, where we'll be making clothing from scratch using Blender. Also be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with people you think this video might help. Also be sure to leave a comment below for any questions and or feedback you might have. Thank you.